Drax. Drax is from Mass Effect. Drax is from Guardians of the Galaxy. Cass is the kid. Oh, okay. I was thinking her name is Cassandra. Okay, Cassandra Cain in Birds of Prey. Okay, I was like, huh? Drax. Yeah, Drax. In the comics, Cass is neat. The animation looks rough. Kitty dancing. Oh, yeah. Yes, you have. Okay, perfect. Drax the Destroyer. Yes. I was like, Drax. They're not the same. But yeah, like, I like all this silly stuff. And, I actually... Wait, is Ragnarok the one where he goes back in time? Not back in time, but the super 80s heavy one? Where he goes to another... Not back in time. He goes to another universe-ish? Casting some rabbits were like, I want to see this stuff. I don't get really big into DC things. Oh my god! Teen Titans animated series. The first one, not the... Whatever the new one is. I can't remember the name of it. But that one's so good! I want that back. He goes to another planet. Okay. That one. That's Ragnarok? Yeah, that one's fun. I've always liked, I've always liked the Hulk. I relate to the Hulk. The whole I'm angry all the time. Hi. All the time. Like, you can... It's bad. It's very obnoxious and exhausting. I literally cried in Avengers when he was like, that's my secret. I'm always angry. I was like, this is not something I should relate to. That's right, okay. Original Teen Titans, I love it so much. Teen Titans Go can go away. It did get better. There's a Teen Titans versus Teen Titans Go. It did get better. It was like 1.5 movies in one. Teen Titans Go got better, but it's still so bad. You don't get a Hulk movie with Mark. Yeah. I feel like Ragnarok was part Hulk movie. But yes. I like the animated movies with Hulk and Wolverine. Is it Hulk and Wolverine? No. Did they do that No! It's not... That's not a crossover. There is a Hulk and Wolverine, right? Yes, okay. I'm not crazy. I like Hulk and Wolverine. That matchup is really fun. And then Hulk and Thor. I know there's a lot with Black Widow and Hulk in the new one, but not... I've always seen, like, Thor calming him down and Wolverine calming him down, or just fighting him really hard. You know. There's a Hulk and Wolverine. Yeah, but the animated one. Hulk and Spider-Man in Ultimate Spider-Man is also funny. Because he's just like, why won't he stop? I'm on your side. Mark Ruffalo is one of your favorite actors. You want a Hulk movie with him, but since the first movie tanked. Yeah. That's another one that I actually enjoyed, but I recognize as bad. In a comic book was The Incredible. Is it really? I didn't know that. Wolverine is another one that I really like. And I still... Origins is bad. That one's on us, though. They released the footage, and everybody was like, I hate it. So they like, it was what was it? The ungreen screen. So they just kind of were like, fine. Hi, Chimera! Deadpool. I do enjoy Deadpool. Bucky and Black Widow are super cute in the comics. What? That's a thing? But yeah, I've always really liked the Hulk. I think there's a humorous side to it, and then there's also like the battle of like battling your lizard brain versus like your really intelligent self, which I can appreciate. And just like the whole side of like trying to battle anger and like how much it really takes over your life. Like he's one of the people who taught her to be a spy. Oh, I didn't know that. That's neat. But I just, like, I've always enjoyed that, like, the Hulk stories. So I was kind of hoping for a little bit more. Like, I think the whole, like, when Thor is so, like, I know that guy. Like, that's fucking hilarious. It nails the two characters on the head so much that it's perfect. But yeah, like, that's, I don't know. That's my thing. Cow Guru, hi. We were sewing. We're kind of at the end of stream, and we ended up chatting. But we were sewing face masks for orders. I need to cut a bunch more fabric. They keep Deadpool and bring him into the MCU, but not too much. I'm kind of okay with where Deadpool is. Like, I like that Ryan Reynolds and Deadpool are like the same person, and it's never gonna go away. But I'm okay with them not like completely overdoing it. I'll be honest, I got kind of tired of superhero movies just because it was a lot. It was a lot to take in, and then when you start to reach into Civil War, like it gets a bit much for me. You're loving the nerd discussion, Apple. Thank you. These masks are not for a school. These masks are for orders. We do have, I have 9 separate requests from different teachers for the free masks that I offered, and then we also have the 600 masks that is for a retail store group here in Columbus. Cue random thunderstorm. Weird. Rita falling out of the sky and ending up naked. I don't have to fall out of the sky to end up naked. You agree with that about Deadpool. You want to see him with Spider-Man. That's true. I would like to see him with Spider-Man. I don't know if... Fuck, what's his name? Tom Holland is the Spider-Man that I want to see him with. Is it Tom Holland? Yeah. I would also like to see... Speaking of Toms, or Hollands, what the hell is his name? I would also like to see more Mad Max from Fury Road's standpoint. I didn't get any of Mad Max 1 or 2. Like, I did not enjoy it. But the third one... Retail group, you say? Yes. There you will have some in your store. 20 of them, to be exact. Doesn't Deadpool have a crush on Spider-Man? He's like a... They have like a weird friendship. And by that I mean Deadpool is like, we're friends! And Spider-Man's like, New Spidey's Tom Holland. I like the last one. Andrew Garfield. I really, really, really like him as a Spider-Man. I realize that, like, I feel like Tom Holland needs the, like, awkward version of Peter Parker much better, but I really like Andrew Garfield. Yeah, the Psycho Wiener. That part I remember. Your favorite bad lip reading song is It's Not a Moon. I don't think I've heard that one. Oh, that's why he's like the seagull. Somebody posts. I saw an art and I saw an art. Jesus Christ. I saw a poster that someone made and it was just a grumpy Yoda with a seagull on his head and I didn't get it and now I do. Your Pinterest is full of it. Peter is currently like 35-ish. I guess that makes sense from watching the one with Miles. The new animated movie. Into the Spider-Verse. That one. Like one art, please. Really cool one with like a heavy song. Oh, okay. I skipped to something else. I'm sorry. The video was great. Alright, you guys. I should I should stop streaming. Figure out what we're doing for dinner, though. I'm pretty sure it's scavenging. And then reallocate to masks, probably. Tomorrow.